In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on MetaTrader 5, commonly referred to as MT5. Navigating through MT5 can be a bit daunting if you're unfamiliar with it, but with just a few straightforward steps, you'll be incredibly adept at configuring alerts to suit your trading needs. Whether you're monitoring market changes or waiting for a target price, knowing how to effectively set alerts can make a significant difference in your trading experience. To begin with, you'll want to open up your MT5 platform. Once MT5 is open and ready, the next step is to access the toolbox, a vital feature of MT5 that hosts several useful functionalities, including alerts. You can easily open this toolbox by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard. Alternatively, if you prefer navigating through the menu, simply click on View, then select Toolbox, and you'll see it pop up at the bottom of your MT5 window. This panel is where all the magic happens. Once your toolbox is open, look for the Alerts tab, which is one of the several tabs available. Go ahead and click on this tab to open up the Alerts window. This is where you'll set up your trading alerts. Now, to create a new alert, right-click inside this Alerts window. You'll see a menu pop up. From here, choose Create. This will open up the Alert Editor, a crucial tool where you'll define the specifics of your alert. In the Alert Editor, you'll need to configure several settings to get your alert set up correctly. Start by selecting the symbol. This is the asset you want your alert to be associated with, for example, EURUSD or whichever trading pair or asset you're monitoring. After selecting your symbol, move on to the condition. This specifies the trigger for your alert. You have two main options here: bid greater than or bid less than. Choose one of these conditions depending on what specific price action you're keeping an eye on. Next, you'll input the value, which is the target price that, when met, will activate your alert. It's important to ensure this value is precise to align with your trading goals. After setting the target price, you'll need to choose the source. This is your selected alert sound file. The system defaults to alert.wave, but if you have a preferred or custom sound file, feel free to choose that option. Finally, focus on the timeout or maximum iteration setting. This determines how frequently your alert will sound, or how long it will continue to notify you before stopping. Setting these iterations appropriately will prevent overwhelming notifications while ensuring you're alerted efficiently. Once you've adjusted all these settings to your preferences, click OK to finalize and activate your alert. With these steps, your alert setup on MT5 is complete. This proactive approach in managing alerts will undoubtedly enhance your trading efficiency and responsiveness to market changes. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading.